The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Agusan del Norte in Region 13 or CARAGA region. The province of Agusan del Norte has the city of Cabadbaran as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 13 or CARAGA region. It was founded on June 17, 1967. It is composed of 2 cities, 10 municipalities, and 253 barangays. The total land area is 2,730.24 kilometers squared or 1,054.15 square miles. Agusan del Norte is bordered clockwise from the north by the Butuan Bay, Surigao del Norte, Lake Mainit, Surigao del Sur, Agusan del Sur, and Misamis Oriental. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Agusan del Norte in Region 13 or CARAGA region. We have the municipality of Buena Vista with 25 barangays, Butuan City with 86 barangays, Cabadbaran City, which serves as the provincial center or provincial capital, with 31 barangays, Municipality of Carmen with 8 barangays, Municipality of Habonga with 15 barangays, Municipality of Kitcharao with 11 barangays, Municipality of Las Nieves with 20 barangays, and the Municipality of Magallanes with 8 barangays. We also have the Municipality of Nasipit with 19 barangays, Municipality of Remedios T. Romualdez with 8 barangays, Municipality of Santiago with 8 barangays, and the Municipality of Tubay with 13 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Agusan del Norte in CARAGA region or Region 13. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.